Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to understand the solution given by one of the forum members. So the problem statement here is how to count values that appear in two columns of the same table when selected through a slicer. So let us understand the question. So the question here is posted by Mr. Sandeep Marathe. So he has a requirement, let's say he has a table called matches. It has got two columns like team 1 and team 2, and the team names are as follows. So it shows that the matches played between them, right? So if you can see, Delhi Capital is played match with Rajasthan Royal, and again it has played with Mumbai Indians as well, and then again Delhi Capital has played with again Mumbai Indians. So this is twice. So this is total count of the Delhi Capital matches is 3, right? So that is the expectation. Like is if you look at the question here, is saying, let's say is having a slicer which is basically a year, and is slicing a year, and alongside is also slicing the teams. Okay, so assume he has selected 2010 in season slicer and selected Delhi Capital in team slicer. So the count of the matches should be 3, because as we just saw that, right, Delhi Capital has overall played 3 matches. So the solution was given by a couple of them, but Mr. I've seen a solution from Mark Endicott. Okay, so he has given a pretty straightforward solution, and it's working actually. And the suggestion he has given is to create a disconnected table for team, and then he also showed the variables. I mean, the measure that has to be created. He actually shared a file as well in the recent comment. So I just downloaded the PBX file. So let me just quickly navigate to the PBX file so that I can explain what exactly has been done. Okay. So if you go back to the data view, so we have this table view. We have two tables. Like one table is the data where we have team 1 and team 2 with all those details, right? And we have year. So here, as we have seen, Delhi Capital as overall, played the matches between, if you select in year 2010. So in the year 2010, Delhi Capital should be coming 3 times, right? So this should be the output. So there's another table called teams, which is just for the purpose of using it as a slicer, and we have not joined that. That's what I suggested. It's a disconnected table, and he has not joined with any of this table. So once you do that, you can actually write a logic here. If you see the actual logic, the count of the team. So basically, let's created 3 variables. The variable 1 is using selected value, where we are just taking what selection has been done on the slicer level. Let's say this slicer is selected Delhi Capital, so it is going to pick it up here in this variable called Delhi Capital. And then in the count 1, we are actually counting the rows in that table where this Delhi Capital is equal to Delhi Capital. So we are checking the column 1, which is team 1 column, and if it is matching with Delhi Capital, so wherever it finds a match, we are going to count it. So let's, the for column 1 basically had 2 times Delhi Capital repeated, so we get 2 here. The second time we are doing the same thing, but for the column 2, right? So here we're going to get 1. So 2 plus 1, we are doing a written statement, we're just counting it. So very straightforward, and as you can see, the logic is working. So kudos, I'm going to just share kudos to Mark Endicott, and I'm going to write a thank you note. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's catch up in the next video.